Good morning everyone. Today our topic is about number names. Number names of which digits 3 and 4 digit numbers. Okay children, shall I start the class? Okay, be ready. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called as the digits. These are called as digits. You can form the numbers by using these 10 digits. Using these 10 digits. Okay children. How we can form the numbers? Now first one digit numbers. One digit numbers. You know children, what is the meaning of a number? Number means nothing. A group of digits are called a number. A group of digits are called a number. In this here 10 digits are there. From these 10 digits onwards, you will select that any digits. Okay, I selected only the one digit, that is the 2. Okay children. Now here I selected 8. Only 8. Next I selected 1. Yes, I selected 9. Only 9. I written these all separate. Is not written as a group. So this is 1 only. This also 1. This also 1. This also 1. 1 digit. It has a 1 digit. I selected. That's why these are called as a 1 digit number. 1 digit number. Now how we can form that 2 digit numbers? How we can form 2 digit numbers? From these digits onwards, I selected two digits and written as a group. Written as a group. Now I am selected 9 and 4. Why? Because this is a 2 digit number. That's why I selected 2 digits. What is the first digit? 4. And second digit is first digit is the 9 and second digit is the 4. I selected 2 digits written as a 9 and 4. This is, and here we have selected 2 digits and write as a group. So it is called as a 2 digit number. Now I selected 6 and selected 0 also. So I selected here 2 digits and written as a group. So it is called as a 2 digit number. This also. Now I selected 7 and 3. Yes, written as a group. So this is called as a 2 digit number. How to form 3 digit numbers? How to form 3 digit numbers? Yes. Now here I am selecting here 8, 9 and 4. Not written separately, but here separately means you can write as a by commas, that is separate. Here you written not put any commas. I written as a one group. So it is here I selected 3 digits. That's why this is called as a 3 digit number. Now 7, 9, 0. I selected 7 is 1 digit, 9 is 1 digit and 0 is 1 digit. I selected 3 digits. Write as a group, so it is called as a, this also it is called as a 3 digit number, 790. Okay children. Now 4 digit number. Now 4 digit number. 4 digit numbers. Now from these group onwards we will select any 9, 4, 3, 2. I selected 4 different digits. Write as a group. So it is called as a 4 digit number. It is called as a 4 digit number. No need to select only the different digits. You should be select same digit also. How it is? Yes, 2. And I am selecting that now 0. Again I will select 0 only. Again I will select 0. 0 also digit. 0 also a digit. always 0 to right of any digit, the right side of any digit. Don't write the left side of any digit. No value to 0 at that time. So should be right. First you select any digit. Afterwards you should be select the 0 right to the right side of that digit. Okay children. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. I selected 4 digits. So it is called as this also a 4 digit number. Okay. Now how to read these numbers? How to read these numbers? Okay children. Now here 7. Already you know this is a 7. Okay. Already you know this is a 7. It has only that one digit. That's why it is called as a one digit number. This is called as a one digit number. One digit number. Okay. I selected 7 from that group and 4 also. 4 also. It has 2 digits. It has 2 digits. So this is called as a 2 digit number. Okay children, 2 digit number. 1 digit number has only ones place. Only ones place. Okay, 2 digit number has 2 places. Always you should be mention the places from right side to left side. From right side to left side. From right side which number is there? Ones place. This is the ones place. 4 is there in the right side. That is the ones place. In the 7 and the 7 is there in the left side. So this is the tens place. Tens place. Now how to read this number? How to read this number? 7 in the tens place. 4 in ones place. 7 tens are what is the value of 7 tens children? 7 tens are 70. This is a 70 and 4. That's why this is right as a 74. 74. This is the 2 digit number. 2 digit numbers. Next. Now see children. 3, 4, 8. I was written that 3 digits as a group. Okay. This is that 3 digit number. This is a 3 digit number. 3 digit number has 3 places. 3 digit number has 3 places. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. You can write as the places from right side to left side. From right side to left side. Where is your right hand? This is your right hand. That's why should be write this one ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay children. Now how to read this number? How to read this number? Don't read this one always separately, to read as a combinedly. So should be circle by circle. Okay. Now this is the 3. 3 in which place? 3 in hundreds place. 3 in hundreds place. So 300. To read this number combinedly. 48. 300. This is the 300. This is the 48. 340. 4 T by 40 EIGHT 48. Why? Because this is the 3 in hundreds place, 4 in the tens place, 8 in the ones place. 4 in the tens place means that value is 40, no? The 48. Okay children. Now this has the 3 digits. That's why this is the 3 digit number. This is 3 digit number. Okay children. Now we'll discuss about 4 digit number. Now we'll discuss about 4 digit number. 7, 8, 6, 9. Here no, you will not put any commas. You are not separated anything. Yes or no? Okay. So this is the one group. This is one group. Should we see here? First you mention the places. From right to left I said already. This is the ones place. This is the tens place. This is the hundreds place. This is the thousands place. This is the thousands place. 4-digit number has 4 places. 4-digit number has 4 places. What are those places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Okay children. Now here I told first only don't separate this one. This is one group. Children always 2 digits are. Now here 7 in which place? Thousands place. 7 in thousands place. So you can write as a 7,000. 7,000. 800. 800. 800. 69. 869. 869. To see children, 7,869. Okay children. To read in this way, to write the number name. To read in this way, to read 7,869 is this number. This is a 4-digit number. Okay children. Now in Indian place value system, Indian place value. In Indian place value system has 5 digits has 2 periods. 5 digits has 2 periods. This is the ones period. This is the thousands period. Ones period has 3 places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands periods has thousands and 10,000s. Then this is the separate. Ones, tens, hundreds is one period. Then this here ones, tens, hundred is separate period. That's why should be put here is a separate. Thousands period is a comma. In the thousands period you put it the comma and separated by these 2 periods. Okay children. Yes. Okay. This is once again I will explain the Indian place value system. See here children. Indian place value. Indian place value system. In that this is once a period. This is thousands period. This is thousands period. Once a period has ones, tens, hundred. These are the places. These are the places. Now here thousands period has thousands and 10,000. That's why always when you return the number, maybe 5, 8, 7, 6. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundreds is a separate period. So you can put the comma and separate the period. Okay children. Now this is the thousand. Now to read as 5,800. I told already don't read separately. To read this one is the ones and tens places are combined. This is the 76. 5,876. Okay children. Okay. Now discuss about how to write the number names in that Indian system. To see children. 587. 587. 587. See children, when you are writing the number, first you should be mention the place values on the numbers. Yes, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay children. Now first you can circle like this. Is it better to understand how to read the numbers. This is 5 in which place? Hundreds place. 500. 500. 87. 587. Okay, children. 587. This is which number? This is the 3-digit number. Why? Because of this number is formed by the 3 digits. 3 digits. 7, 8, 5. 3 digits are there in this number. So it is called as a 3-digit number. 4, 2, 8, 7. Yes. Now should we mention the place values from right side to left side. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Already I said ones, tens and hundreds are separate period, thousands are separate period. Ones, tens, hundreds are separate period and thousands are separate period. Two periods separated by the comma. I told to by easy to understand that number to circle this 8 and 7. And read this one is combined. Not to read here. 4 in which place? 4 in thousands place. So you can write as a 4,000. 2 in which place, children? 2 in hundreds place. 287. To read as a combinedly. 87. 87. In this way to read that numbers. Okay, children. In this way, how you are reading the numbers, in the same way to write in that number name also. Okay, children. Now is given that number name, how to write that number. Is given the number name, how to write the number. See, children. 3,400. 3,400. Yes, observe here, children. 3,000. 3 in which place, children? Thousands place. So first you can write the places up to thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. 3 in which place, children? Thousands. 3,000. 400. 400. Now you have any one sentence? No, you not have any one sentence. Don't leave like that. Simply you can put it in that which digits are not there. In that place you can put it in the zeros. Okay, children. In this way you can form the numbers also. Okay, let us discuss one more number. Okay, now 806. Now 8 in which place, children? Hundreds place. 8 in which place? Hundreds place. So you can write as up to hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. 8 in hundreds place. I written that 8 in hundreds place. Now 6. Move on to the 6. 6 means only the single digit. 6 means only you will get it is the only the single digit. When you will be get only the single digit, to write it as a ones place. Single digit has only one place only, no? So to write as a ones place. Yes, write as a ones place. Tens place you not have any number. So you can put it in the 0. Put it as a 0. Now same way, once you can see here 860. 860. This also has a 100. Yes, hundreds means you write as up to hundreds places. Write as up to hundreds places. See, children, here I am writing hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, 800 means 816. And now see here children, 16 means you are getting the 2 digits. 2 digits. That's why you can write in the 2 digits means ones place and tens place. But before sum you have only the 6. 6 means only the ones place. So to write as in only the ones place. Write as in only the ones place. Here 16 in the and is ones place and tens place. So can write as a 860. Okay children, did you understand this topic? Okay. Bye children. Thank you. Have a nice day.